Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix blurry photos, stories, reels on Instagram. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead over to your profile right here. And at the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines. Wait for it's loud, and once it's loud, scroll all the way down until you find your app and media. Tap on a data usage into media quality. Tap on it, make sure data saver is turned off. Now go ahead and enable this option, upload at highest quality. And then once that's done, make sure that you upload using a Wi-Fi, okay? Do not use mobile data when you upload. So if you use mobile data, if you don't have a Wi-Fi, okay, tap and hold on mobile data and make sure that data saver is disabled as well. Okay, and then once that's done, you're actually good to go. Now, if you want to maximize your upload quality, well, do not use the Instagram's camera. Okay, let's say we swipe left. Do not use this one if you want to upload high quality reel, story, or posts. Okay, also avoid using heavy filters, stickers, or music, as it can cause compression and reduce the upload quality, okay? As Instagram right here compresses everything to save bandwidth, okay? Instead of using your Instagram camera, go ahead and use your phone's camera, okay? As in here, we can go ahead and change the quality. It could be full HD, Ultra HD, or even 4K if your camera got that option, 4K, all right? Record from here or take a photo from here, and then after that, just upload it to your Instagram app. All right. And those are the ways to fix blurry photos, stories, or reels on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.